Ang ganda.
Oh, pasok yung mga...
Ala, kumain.
Si Tito.
Thank you.
Yes, ang cute. Alam mo ang favorite ko ni Mami.
Nagtanong ako sa'yo, di ba?
Kami din.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Pwede ba yun? Okay. Ano yan? Yung ano nila ni Mami. Hala, nasan siya? Puto. Taray, may puto siya. Kaya...
Surprise. We would like to invite you to Let's go.
Special episode na to, dahil talagang dinededicate natin sa mga big mouse katulad mo. In fact, the recipe ni Chef Pinoy, perfect para sa Mother's Day celebrate.
Tama. Today for you, Mommy, I will cook a very special dish.
Video ako muna. Ito kasi, di ba sinasendan mo ako? Yes. Ang cute eh.
70, okay na daw.
Ganda ng debutant.
Okay na yan, ma'am. Okay na. Sige, push na tayo. Pag yung
Haba
mga
ng hair.
papalo, ma'am, mamaya, kami hindi. Kay mami na lang, eh. Since hindi naman nakakaalam, yung mga parating pa.
Easy.
Okay, ready.
Pagpasok po ng calculator,
Yeah, malinaw yung camera mo, eh.
enjoy lang po. Tapos acknowledge sa tao, hi, ganun lang po. Para sa video, maganda tayo.
Parang ano nga, 80th birthday. Dalago.
Lala, suyo kayo dito. Side na muna si ma'am. Dala mo na sa side.
Pak. Ganda.
We need all your energy tonight because you guys are invited to be part of the very special day of our beautiful cakes.
Ma'am,
And before we go forward to our ceremony,
her, that you shape her as a woman that you want her to be. I do pray that you will continue to bless her, guide her in
Ang cute eh.
Yesterday I felt the wind blowing round my shoulder. Feel like I'm getting older. Still I can't forget your face. Separated by leaving, making plans and scheming. How I'm gonna get back home.
Kompleto yung kapatid. Oh, pogi oh. Basta may isang pogi. Ayun na nagmamadali oh.
friends, our beautiful gays here.
Wait lang, wait. Arte ni Terence.
Spent half my life looking for the reasons things
Geng-geng nga eh, tapos sumayaw yun. Terence!
half my life trying to
Geng-geng!
make them mistakes. But love would be yours. You must keep your stings on ready. So when it begins, get all that you can. You must befriend the will of the wind. And so it goes for lonely hearted fools. Better say
Medyo, gutom na. So, before we proceed with our dinner, so for our VIP table, you guys, your food is right now served. And for our senior citizens, your food will be served. Now,
basta't mahal kita. Huwag kang mag-isip ng ano pa man. Mga paliwanag ko hindi na kailangan.
Picturean ko kayo.
O ka ba?
Thank you so much, Chen, for the very wonderful message. And maybe may I request to all our visitors, if I can please get all of your attention to listen to those messages.
And of course, a best friend of mine. Happy birthday. Happy golden birthday. Welcome to the club.
Okay lang. Sorry.
Age of wisdom. And I have heard and sa matagal nating pagiging magkapitbahay.
May surprise? Baka may pera sa loob yan.
Triangle na nangayaya.
Tabingi man.
Ano yung ginawa lang?
Niluto lang.
Magic yan, magic.
Ang lakas ng trip mo eh, no?
Ginawa ko ba homemade?
Hindi, housemaid.